Hi guys, this is Gary and this is a tutorial on how to use Tatum API on XDC network. So first of all, what is Tatum API? So what Tatum API do is it helps to connect our dApp with the blockchain very fastly using the APIs. So now we know what Tatum API is. So now how we can use it. To use it, first of all, what you need is a API key. To get your API key, you have to go to the tatum.api and do the sign up. After doing sign in, you will see like the dashboard like this. Now when you come here and click on this show button, it will show your API key. This is like the mainnet API and this is like the testnet API. Click on here, you will get the mainnet API key. Click on here, you will get the testnet API key. After you got your API key, now we can start using Tatum API. So there's a documentation on this, on what thing you can do. So first, what you can do with Tatum API is generate XDC wallet. So let's test this, how to generate this. So I'm gonna use Replit. It's like a platform to run the Python code easily. So by the way, I'm gonna be using Python here. So when we come here, and so this is a code. So first time what I'm doing is importing the request. Like to get the data, we use request, and this is gonna be URL. You can, if you go to documentation, you can see that the URL is given here. To use the generate XDC wallet API, you need to put the wallet in front. You can see I did it here. After that, it's header, in which you have to put your API key, which you got from here. Click on show, and this is the API key. You need to put it here. And after that, there is the response. This is gonna get the data from the API. It's taking the URL and the API key here, and what it's gonna do is generate a new public address and a phrase of that address. So if you click on run, you can see it generated a public address and the mnemonic for that address. Now there are many, let's test some more. So now here is the generate XDC wallet from the extended public address from the public key. It's like the same as the above. Let's do this one, generate XDC private key. So what this is going to do is generate your private key using this API. Just copy this code from here, go to here, and just do like copy paste. Now, so what it's asking for is API key again. We're gonna go here, copy the API key, go to here, write our API key here, V. So now what it's gonna do is it's gonna take a mnemonic and convert that mnemonic into the public key. Okay, so we click on run. You can see it has created our public address using the mnemonic. So this is how to use this API to make a public address. You can just write any mnemonic here, like your address mnemonic, and it will convert it into the public address. It's very useful. So let's see what we have. We can use to get the block number we can get. Let's test this too. We go here, I don't know what's wrong with this, but it's okay. We can somehow figure out to do it. Okay, so we paste it here. We're gonna enter our mnemonic here, and it's gonna show the which block we are on right now. So we copy it here and paste it. Now we click on run. So this is a block number we are at the moment which we are using. So this is a block number it's giving. So yeah, there's a lot of things you can do with this API. I hope you got the understanding on how to use this API, and you can use any of this. Just main thing is your API key, and it's gonna just take it and make a API call and get the data. This is the main concept of this. I guess you understand the whole stuff. Thanks for watching.